We've all heard that inner peace is one of the many benefits of practicing meditation. But what are the benefits of inner peace? From inner peace, insights spring forth, and the strength and courage to apply those insights. From inner peace, the mind becomes calm, freeing us from anxiety, worry, stress, and fear. From inner peace, appreciation grows, and we no longer expect the worst or dwell on the negative. From inner peace, patience and tolerance thrive, even in the midst of great challenges. When you have inner peace, you're less affected by what people think or say about you. You are less disturbed by obstacles or difficulties, and you can maintain clear judgment in all situations.